This is an example of question number 16 on the web assignment for Chapter 2, where you're asked to apply Chebyshev's theorem to determine the minimum percentage that would lie within a certain number of standard deviations for any distribution. So this is not about normal distribution, so we can't use the empirical rule. So in A, it's saying we want to be within 2.3 standard deviations. So what that means is that K is equal to 2.3. So to determine the smallest percentage that will lie within 2.3 standard deviations in any distribution, we're going to substitute that into our rule for Chebyshev's theorem. Now, you should be doing this on a scientific calculator, not on your phone, because your phone doesn't know the proper order of operations. But in this case, it's asking you to round to one decimal place after converting it to a percentage. So when we calculate this, 1 minus 1 divided by 2.3 squared gives me 0.8110. Well, as a percentage, we have to move that decimal point 2 places to the right, so that would be equivalent to 81.1%. We would do the same thing in Part B, but in Part B, we want to be within 2.8 standard deviations. So K is 2.8. And when we do 1 minus 1 over 2.8 squared, and convert our answer to a decimal, or to a percent, we get about 87.2%.